In 2020, Nottingham Trent University students like me voted on NTSU's Big Idea platform in support of delivering consent workshops to NTU students.
We listened, and last year we delivered 305 workshops to NTU first-year undergraduate students. Over 90% of the 6,000 students we delivered the workshop to would recommend it to their peers.
The workshop has been created by members of your student union, your university and current students. Students last year loved the interactive and non-judgmental nature of the workshops and told us how important having them is.
These workshops will
empower you to make decisions for yourself,
educate you to understand what consent is,
raise awareness of what support is available and how to access it,
clarify what consent looks like in confusing situations,
encourage you to explore your own actions and behaviours.
We want you to have a fun, enjoyable and safe time while you're studying and living at NTU. These workshops will contribute to a healthier and safer community for all of us.